you about it because it's kind of weird because you didn't use it before. But anyway, QQQ it might gap it might gap lower. So yeah, everything's pointing up honestly. So I'm waiting for it. Buy side is at 224. Yeah, next buy side at the top of the ATR range. So which is 329. Just type it out honestly. Oh, news is coming. Not news. Open here.
Wow.
What do you
Got
say?
that damn buy. That was pretty.
Nice.
I'm mad I had my damn take profit after I hired that. No, no.
Nice.
Thank you. I was in drawdown because I was playing with ES. I had enough room to be in drawdown. I'm like, well, let me test some shit out.
I guess the I guess the
This
bias
morning.
was.
So I was like 800 in drawdown, which I just thought, oh, that's just
Well, how many points was that? I was 40 points. Good amount of points right there. I guess the bias was correct. Would you say that?
hmm. I'm freezing. I need to put socks on. I don't like when my feet is cold.
Same.
Huh?
Same.
Did you say same?
Yeah.
Why are you trying to be like me?
I think you're trying to be like me.
I said it very slow.
I might catch this woman at Gap here if he gives it to me. If not, then I'll just wait. I don't know how the hell you got that. Yeah, it just opened, so and the gap coming up. Gap is 25 points. Gotta tap it. Tapped it. Watching it. Took a high. Yes, the same high. Watching the tape there. It's right on the tape.
We're gonna get to that high, so we're gonna go up to the next high, or is that it?
On the gap, so I'm waiting for it. A little right on the tape there. Lose.
Order filled.
Take that. Two, 23. Point of control sitting right there. Take the high. Take the line. 5. Like that. I might consolidate. It just took a high. I don't like this candle. Ugh. Ugh. It's nasty. Want to be at least be in profit. They're turning red. It is. Watching it right below the daily close. Daily open, I mean.
Order filled.
Stop me out. Great. Great.
Come on. I sell at 79. Get the damn chick chart. It's chick. I can't even talk. Take a chart. Do me just for fun. I'm getting out. I don't know how they keep going down and coming back. you looking for? So just playing around in this. Is that the one minute? I want a picture still inside that gap.
How unfortunate, bro. I have to be the most unfortunate guy ever.
You just got that little too early.
What? I have to be the most unfortunate guy ever.
But it might not. It's rejecting audio thing. I'm so cold, bro.
Order filled.
What?
It's feeling over there.
Oh, that's why. To be the most unfortunate guy ever, bro. That'd be nice. To be the most unfortunate guy ever. Took a loss for absolutely no reason. I wouldn't even define that as early, bro. I got in the fair value gap, retested the fair value gap, and then my stop was bad. Honestly, my stop was bad. That's why my stop was bad. I should have put my stop below the fair value gap. I put it below the wick, thinking that was a swing low. Regardless, even if this does stop, huh? What? What?
What? Y'all got me one more time. Y'all one more time.
I'm asking you a question. You saying you just showing me a scheme. I'm like, what is it?
Do you see the setup for me? Does it look like anything to you?
I'm not saying anything.
Look at the, oh my god.
Order
Look at the
filled.
retest.
What
The market is open.
What in God's name, bro?
And of course, the market wants to like act like it wants to not work.
What a time to be trading gold. Wow. What a time to be trading gold. I got in off this practice account. And just running. Sweep the low. Bottom 3 inch and just get going. What a time to be trading gold.
Don't you fuck me off. Yeah. I don't know. You're looking for bodies, so I mean, you know, you know. Do you see that?
What do you say?
One of the value gap, do you see it?
Which one?
The one we just made when we displaced.
Yeah.
We're in it now. What do you feel about that? I don't enter on fair value gap, so I don't know how to feel about it.
I'm just watching for now. I have the buyers at the low. It's kind of ugly. We could go off it. Who knows? Like I would have bought off that low, but I'm trying not to be like trigger happy, so I let that one go. I'm gonna stop that twice. Tap the 5 minute and then started going. Point of control is above us. Just tapped it, right? We almost tapped it. Just tapped it now. Right on the tape. I don't know, man. E5 coming up.
Good morning.
Good morning. That was a beautiful entry. You took that, Erica?
For what?
Bye.
No, I took it to sell.
I don't. You said you were looking at the fair value gap on the one for a buy or so.
I was looking at it for a sale. I wanted to go back into it.
I don't know. E5.
We got let's take out Southside at 90, what, 95? Yeah. Like, it was respecting the provider that, um, yeah. It trailing too tight. All that
Order
is talking
filled.
about. I'm so mad at myself. I don't know what doing.
Oh, got that long. Thank God, bro.
Good job.
Jesus. That's what I thought you were in it. So what did you mean? Like you wanted to go into the fair value gap for a buy? For a
Yeah,
sell?
it was placed lower, and when it was placed lower, it made it for value gap, and it was respecting it for a while.
You talking about the one before? You talking about the Cibi before? I thought we were talking about the most recent bullish fair value gap. You see the fair value gap I'm talking about? Or at like 946.
Um,
We got bearish SMT. Yes, took that high. I think you didn't.
Cool.
I think NQ should though. I guess I'll wait till 10 o'clock for that new hour. We got bullish SMT at the bottom, bearish at the top. Any news? Let me see. Yeah, we got some yellow folder 10 a.m. news.
10 a.m. news. I didn't see that. Oh, you see.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Good call, bro. What was I thinking?
10 a.m. Guess I'll wait.
Man, I'm starting to figure that one.
connected.
I forget. I'm kind of using it as like a. Yeah. We're running? Wait, hold on. We're running? I gotta go check now. Oh, we're running. You know, I think, no, I think back. No, I think back. I think back at, I think back at bro. It's like an ATR. Yeah, things like that. And we better break it up, bro. Oh, yeah, right. Okay. Like that. Right. want to know how to fix it. Actually. Let's see. How is the Blitz looking? Is the Blitz still looking bearish? No. It's nothing. We're going back up. Yeah, roll. Yeah, that's what I think he's on time. Swing for the NQ. Like, what made you come to EF?
We have data highs.
What?
Me? It looks like we're gonna take data highs soon. Get this trend, we're making higher lows and higher highs.
Like I love the plays where shot buyers. I love the plays where like shot buyers. Um, and just trap buyers at the top, but then just trap sellers at the bottom.
Yeah, data after taking data highs will be more interesting to see because we're still in the chopping range for the 15-minute orb. We haven't broke out in either way yet, so scalp central only.
I'm still in this long here.
We'll see.
I'm still
Nice.
still in this long trying to hold it. I don't know. That 1 minute gap held like shit, bro. Holy. I got in at 54.
Yeah, that 1 minute cap over there was.
Wait, what would your TP be? I'm sorry, asking you that.
I'll say data highs.
Data highs? The
Yeah,
fuck?
that 10 a.m. data.
Oh, that was data
Mm-hmm.
highs. That was data highs. Good call. It's about to take it here. But I got in before data. Before
Yeah,
I got in before that. It was
you
running.
could continue to hold. I understand since you already was in for data highs too. But I would say that's
But
TP1
after
at
that,
least.
like after that, what would it be?
Let me see.
So I'm not tripping.
Oh, after that, it would be like 150.
150, right? Yeah.
Yeah, like on the 155 areas.
I think we took data high, right?
Um,
Yeah.
yeah, nice.
The Lion of Judah. But we are.
Yeah,
Time is it?
I'm not in any more trades now.
Huh?
I'm just waiting.
So what?
Uh, I said I'm not in any more trades now after taking that TP. I want to wait because we still haven't broke out a 15-minute orb. I want to see us continue up, but I don't know. The retracement will come soon
Where'd
before we enter.
where'd you TP at?
Uh, TP1 already took 114.
Oh, nice. I, I'm not gonna lie. That was a good little exit.
Yeah, I'm not. I can see it going higher, but I don't want to be caught in no retracement. I would rather get in and out. Like I had no drawdown on this trade at all.
Nice.
Thanks to God. But yeah, just waiting. We got a lot of fair value gaps we just farmed. We got to see if it continues. That's good, but I'm not gonna predict the market. It has no reason for me to exit. I just got up and TP it. That's it.
Nah, I respect it, bro. I respect it. You locked in profit. I respect it. It's not. It's better to do that than to Be like me.
Disconnected.
Be holding on for dear life and that should never be hidden.
Mm, we got different trading strategies.
Connected.
I respect it. It pays off when it hits, so you know. Mine is more like slow and steady.
Yeah. I don't want to watch this. Did we take Bicep? We did. And I think we took it on. Yeah.
But it's going towards the next one.
My daily ATR is 100 or is all the way at like 309. So
We're in 1 hour fair value cap right now. I'm probably nervous. The 6 p.m. one.
Yeah, I peeped it. That's what's getting me a little nervous. Just a little nervous. I love how trade
But this
ideas.
isn't.
I love how trade ideas work after I take so many losses.
I think you said you had a level.
You talking to me?
Yeah. So what that was?
What's the ATR today?
I'm not even my dog. I'm just talking out loud thinking.
On the floor.
Thinking.
What'd you say, Nick?
I said, what? Do you have like a 4-hour ATR?
That's a great question. 110 on a 60-point ATR. We moved 60 points on a 110 ATR. So we got room on this 4-hour. That's a good question. Should probably target that instead. And then 40 points from here would be 40 points
Like
from here.
170. Yeah.
Yeah, 170s. Which makes sense.
That's good. Yeah, for real. That 150 makes sense too.
I'm waiting to.
I love these type of setups, bro. Like fair value gap. Boom. Buyers at the bottom here. All the sellers were selling it down fine. But then buyers stepped in right here, shot the price up, respected it. You know. So I got in there. And now there's just all these buyers at the top. A little bit of sellers there, but I'm holding because look like I'm on side. That's so annoying. That's so annoying.
Yeah, it's like a little bit of pullback before longer. I'm not gonna long up here. Just hear us, market makers.
I think it just have to hide that 15-minute or 4-hour. There's a 4-hour gap too. Holy.
We have a small internal bearish SMT on the 1 minute.
The only reason why I'm holding is because the VIX. We have room on the VIX to go higher. I think we have room on the QQQ to go higher as well. Do we? Barely. Barely. I need to be aware of that. Erica, what was yesterday's close? No, that's fine. I get it.
They don't take
No, they said your score is 120 points higher than the average person in your age group. Let's go. I love those messages. Right? I've been trying so hard to get to 800. I'm like almost there.
Right on the tick.
7250.
7250?
Has a great credit score.
That's ES, right?
No.
72.50. 72.50. Oh, I know what you're talking about.
170.
I know what you're talking about. 72.50.
years ago. And then I remember at like
72.50.
It was typing that phone for value that.
Yeah.
And I was like, what is going on? And I was like, I'm not I'm a nerd about it.
Yeah, right at the top there. Kind of hoping I'm on the side.
Wait, middle of the night, and I was just doing research on credit and building credit cards and everything.
Where's your phone? Go get your phone and call me and call it on the phone.
You always talk about those Amex. That Amex. It's like 2 a.m. I was like,
Did I take my phone thing off or something?
I'll respond in the morning. You responded like,
I'll get your phone and call you.
I don't know how I feel about this.
benefit card.
She don't have a iPhone. I'll switch on my phone.
This card for this. That's my point. 30 minutes later, I had a gold card in mail.
VIX has room to the downside.
There might have been a pullback, but we didn't. I'm not satisfied off that one, so I can't answer.
Yeah.
New 5-minute coming up. Okay.
You know, you can pay your taxes on the credit card. I just learned that too. I think that's wild.
25. Being on tape.
Yeah,
That, if this is a pullback, if that 5 minute was a pullback candle before we continue, that'd be nice. 15-minute candle. 30 points on that 15-minute candle on a 45-point ATR. Yeah, room.
I don't know the exact numbers.
It's at that 1-minute bearish at fair value gap. You gotta break through that. But yeah, trend that was a higher low.
Was it?
Yeah, still in the uptrend right now in the 1 minute. Of course, it's obvious, but
Green.
it's all right. I had an entry on this last candle, but I didn't like. I wanted it to pull back more.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, it is kind of scary up here. I'm just watching my trade, just dangling profit. I think I might. I'm looking to close just because.
You make a lower low, and then I have to reassess, which is okay.
Oh, you talking about the fair, the Texas State Fair in October? We're going to that in Dallas. I'm gonna check the page again, but I don't think they set the dates. Yeah.
Any more news? No.
I know. I'll talk to her. She's not up there.
Love the headlines.
No news.
No, not yet.
I'm not loving this candle.
What's going on? I'm like, all of the day though. I feel like prices and mood is not the way I want it to.
Offer stock trading.
Wow.
Check on it
Came all the way down.
how much money I picked.
Wow. You're kidding.
It is already 84 degrees.
Oh.
It's
Oh, it's
9
an ATP.
9 o'clock in the morning. It's 84
That's
degrees.
interesting.
But I need it because the air be on in here, so it's like low. Like my fingers and my toes are cold. Like I'm freezing. Mm-hmm.
63 points. I need to be deep in profit for me to even consider holding this. 64 points.
take some profit. Take some. I know you don't like to do partial, but I
Yeah,
definitely take some partial.
yeah.
Not even the thing is, I'm not even risking a lot.
The tax credit. Yeah. Oh my god.
So I've never seen one coin.
I will. When are you gonna be back at the office?
New 5 minute and 1 minute.
How you feel about it?
Okay, I should be back to the house right now.
Yeah, I take this high here. This little internal swing high. I can't make a lower low off that. That'll be extremely nasty.
I like how this is reaching.
You say you like it?
I like it at the 5. The way it's pulling up on this 1 minute candle. What time is it? The 5 minute candle about to start. If it can stay above 107, I like it for a buy still, but it's dropping now, so
Yeah, midpoint.
we got 20 seconds to correct this. So nope. That's it. You couldn't hold it.
Oh yeah.
I'm sorry, Mark. I'll be cutting you off.
It's not even the 5 minute.
If I'm not mistaken.
E5.
I might come up and try to tap 105, 107 and reject it. You saw it. You know what, okay. I'm just cramping. I don't know.
I didn't do it.
Other than that, I feel fine.
I didn't do it. What do you mean? What? Not me. No.
Paper, you glad your favorite stock IBM is breaking down?
Yeah. IBM. Vaporware.
It just changed, at least on the 1 minute. So maybe it's like a higher time frame PDRA.
Oh, I know. Yes.
Oh my god. Absolutely crazy.
You said 19-hour drive?
Ion Q, if you wanted a corner play, Ion Q actually looks like a pretty nice flag.
You love it. So
Higher low on daily there,
I think so.
and it does look like it could flip green here.
Yeah.
I cannot do it.
I wonder if Shy gonna come. I know she gotta go to Jamaica, so I'm not counting on it from.
I got this Lisa C song.
Yeah. No,
gotta
not
hold
going to
here.
Jamaica in September.
Otherwise, I have to be those, unfortunately. Well, fortunately, I should say.
Not like 130 or
Yes.
2% on the XOM looks good.
Somebody said gold is coming down.
The dollar.
Ooh, that's bullish. Yeah, next start coming down again. That's GG.
Center line of foreverness.
I don't know why I'm watching this. Play some chess. Just listen to you guys.
I get that 107. Good.
Okay.
Alright, I'll talk to you. I'm gonna get back to the office. Alright, love you. Bye. Hi, Chi Chi. She's on the bottom. She's trying to plan her trip here.
Yeah, I was just gonna say that. We should go there. One thing about being around that 100 level,
Dallas is in Texas. It's in Texas. It's just a different city.
Well, if you get it back to
If
New
it's
York,
wrong.
Something tells me we're gonna cruise red today.
I'm looking at home. Any more question? Thank you. What is it? Bye.
Would you count eating cake for M?
You know you're not trying to go right now. Let me see.
Same getting closer at.
You want problems.
Who's this bear? I don't make the rules. Is behind the dead mark?
Shut my phone. They're gonna play them.
I see. I mean, you got a lot of different chart patterns out there. You got
What?
resistance at 535 on
Oh.
Q, but I see an inverse head and shoulders setting up right now on the 1 and 4 hour chart. But we are putting in those lower highs. Yeah, so you got the inverse head and shoulders right now. If it plays up, it's going to take us to the neckline, which is where the trend line is for the lower highs at 535. If it does push higher,
It's a new 15, right? Yeah. New 30.
I see it break at hole 107 to continue to the upside if it wants to. It's not trying to make a lower low on this 1 minute. Yeah. Did you take anything off?
I'm in one mini.
You said what?
I'm in one mini. One micro, I mean.
I hate on you, but
Okay, I was just scared.
I'm not taking it.
What's scary movie? No, that's the show we're watching together. Why we gotta watch it without me?
Good Father's Day.
I did, dude. I got my first official achievement unlock. Dad year. Pretty excited.
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, didn't hold it. It's rejected at 107. Why?
Reddit getting 10% that move back.
Did it move? 134. Oh, it's a deal.
high, 21 retest. Pushing now.
Yeah, after this, right? Regular highs. Five coming up.
Doesn't look horrible. I have that one dip and recover. Holding up at the high. I'll have an Broadcom. And it got smoked off the highs.
Give me a second. Hold on. Yo, Tony. Yep. Yeah. What you mean? Oh, you want me to fill up 83? Oh, I got it. All right. Eddie should be good. All right. Boy, 83. 80, boy, 83. Oh, we are melting, unfortunately.
All right. From here, from this like 80, 70 range, I do think I could see it going up.
This is the value you're looking for. That's the value you're looking for.
I mean, I'm not entering with this red I'm seeing, but yeah, this is the buy I'm looking for. It just needs to confirm it with making a higher high. I trade with the trend, so let the trend start. I'll get in the middle.
So what price
Get out
point would it have to break for it to be a higher high?
Now it would have to break 113. Yeah. Or like whatever, however it starts to move. Like right now we just made a lower low. Let's see the trend start wherever it chooses to start. But ideally, I do want it to break above 113, close to break and close above that, which looks like it will. Like I had a 182 drawn for like, I want to say where buyers would want to go to, but even now, I would love to enter this. I could get a little scalp, but we're in a downtrend. I don't want to trip against the trend. The 1 minute trend. If we make another low, then I might have to sit on my hands again. We just took all those fair value gaps that we created on that run to take data highs. There's no more unmitigated gaps on the 1 minute, which is good. Yeah. We just made a lower low, but I won't even trip. I'm gonna just wait. As I said, I'm gonna have an alert set. 113. Oh, you'll get some breakfast.
All right, bro.
Yeah. You work today?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. I'm gonna catch you, bro. I don't think you'll be back unless this goes up there the next 10 minutes, which I doubt. Yeah.
That's like V shapes for no reason. It's had point of control, by the way. That was point of control where it just dipped into. That was point of control. So
Like the 82 area.
yeah, exactly. I don't know how you like. I don't know how you marked it up exactly at point of control, but that's interesting. Like, what did you use to get it? To get the
1 second, I got you. I marked out an order block. So like, uh, you see that 10:05 1 a.m. candle?
10:05 1 a.m. candle?
I mean, 1 minute candle. 10:05, the 10:05 1 minute candle.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was a bullish order block.
Interesting.
So yeah, we had gapped up from there.
Isn't that funny? Isn't that
Yes,
funny? Order blocks. Interesting. That was from you learned that from the video, right?
Nah, I haven't watched that video yet. I should soon. But like I watched some other, yeah. But yeah, the order block. Now we have like we got a bearish order block on that. This is like at 102, and the high of it is 113. That's why I said we have to break above this bearish little 1 minute order block. But there's order blocks on every different time frame, so I'm just choosing to look at the 1 minute one. Coincidentally, it's also point of control, maybe. But we're still also in a chopping range with the 15-minute orb. We broke above it slightly, broke right under. I don't like that at all. If we make another low, I'm going to call it a day. Because then I'm trading in chopping range, and I'm not trying to do that.
Yeah.
Unless we get a good break under like we get a break under the 60s. Okay, I'll turn bearish again, but till I see a break in those 50 areas, which I hope not to see, but I'm gonna observe. I'm trying to really like take my bias away. I want to be in this. I can't predict nothing. I could observe it, just go with it. That's why it's good to know the trend, the higher lows, higher highs, all that.
Well, this is the most amount of volume in one area. It's kind of concerning. I really think we're just gonna chop the rest of the day. Like, there's no prices. Like, we haven't discovered any new prices for a minute now. And the most we did was at that high, and then sellers were at the top right there. So it looked like it's about to chop. Still have point of control, but I wanted to go from here. But at this point, this trade looks terrible.
Terrible.
Look at that red on the tape.
Yeah. Yeah, we're in a downtrend. We took data highs. I'm trying to forget all those biases I had. I'm trying to make it. I want to see again. I'm gonna remove this alert now because if I see it, I see it. If I don't, I don't. We look bearish again. Yeah, maybe I'll come back around like 2 o'clock, power hour. But I'm not trading after 11 either.
This is not conducive. So heat map look like heat map is kind of red. Are we down on today? Yeah, we are. Really interesting. I think QQQ. Oof. Almost filled the gap there. Missed it by a little bit. Coming down. VIX going up. Yeah. There's no point in watching this. My trade works. Oh, I don't know what I'm doing here.
Okay. I like to see this. I'm gonna wait for this 5 minutes to close. Hopefully, a continuation of the trend.
Interesting. So what is that? I need 15. Guess so. 22 points on a 40-point ATR. Gotta break that high there though. That 113 level. Looks good. We gotta break past this level. It has to. Once it breaks past the level, hurry the fuck up. I need 5 minutes. Sure. Hey Siri, what's the weather like? Hey Siri, what's the weather like?
The National Weather Service has issued a flood watch. It's currently cloudy and 71 degrees. Expect thunderstorms starting tonight. Today's high will be 80, and the low will be 66 degrees.
One minute until a new 5. Tap that 1 minute fair value gap. Okay. We're in a 5 minute gap as well. That 5 minute gap, I would, yeah, just wait. See if this 1 minute gives it to us.
That's fantastic, bro. Ah, no. We can't stop putting on that.